There it is, dude.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
Yeah, it happens.
Does it?
Yeah.
How many people just grab a bowl and just start to drink out of it? Oh, well.
All good.
All right, let's try to make these smaller. I mean, look at this.
Watch your
Whoa.
You know I love you. That was amazing.
You're welcome. I did a good job.
You did great.
That is such a me thing to do, too. If the TV were over here, it'd be clips of me hitting my head on that about 5 times.
Oh, no. The look on Perula's face when the vinegar hits the tongue is priceless.
I thought it was
More mango juice.
yeah, because it was like a little fruit cup, and we were supposed to drain it. And instead of draining it, I just drank the juice out of it, and so I thought that the liquid in the bowl was undrained juice that I needed to take care of. It was not.
It was vinegar.
Okay, that's looking good.
And the jalapeno?
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, I didn't see it. Thank you.
And did you read the? See, the cilantro wasn't supposed to be microwaved. That'd be right.
Oh, that'd be right.
Using a fork, combine ingredients, occasionally mashing the mango to release the liquid.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like carrot cake. Oh, it looks so weird. It's knobbly.
Yo, Logan, what's up, dude? I know, I've actually known a few people, Asmo, that drink apple cider vinegar pretty regularly, honestly. So I don't think you're far off from that, to be honest.
It's good for birds.
You do it? Yeah, I never did do that, but I've known quite a few people that have done that.
I don't know
When I'm
if that's the onion or the jalapeno.
What?
You feel that? Your eyes?
Oh yeah, it's a jalapeno. No, my eyes are dead from watching Final Fantasy 14 cutscenes.
It's not even that spicy jalapeno. What the heck, man?
It burned. My eyes burnt out a long time ago, dude. I don't feel nothing.
Bro, I've watched all those cutscenes and more.
How did you get immunity to pepper spray? Final Fantasy 14 cutscenes.
Goodness. Let's put mustard in this. That's weird. We put like half of that in there and maybe...
Oh, hell no, it's going all in there.
Okay.
We can do half.
No, I was thinking half in there and then we can add the rest to like the curry.
Sure.
If
Yeah, that
desired.
makes sense. That makes sense.
What the hell is that?
Hmm?
I guess that's an onion.
You are absolutely the best. You know that?
I'm a clown.
No.
Okay, we've made